There goes my baby. Oh, dear Jesus, let him get there okay. Wave, y'all. That's my baby. Jesus will take care of you. I know he will. Because you're his son. We gonna get to see him come back over. Oh, how sweet. I'm already soaked.
Yeah.
Where's the plane? There it is. See this ant down here waving, baby? He's fixing to get into the clouds and above. That's when it's going to be so beautiful. There he goes up. Look how steep that thing's going up. I got to get over here, Sue. Yeah, I'm still videoing. I gotta go this way and be some losing him in the clouds.
Well, that was a nice little shower and then it cleared up. It just moved over there. Look at that. Yep.
They're fixing to go into those clouds.
Hey!
He's gone into the clouds. Look at that.
Oop, there he goes.
There it went.
We may see him
Oh, there
pass. Yeah, I was gonna say we may see him pass over yonder, but probably not.
Yeah, there he is right.
Yeah.
Oh Lord Jesus, how I have prayed all morning. That's my baby up there.
Can you still see it on there?
I don't know, but I'm watching it and I don't know.
Okay, I'm going in.
Go ahead. Jesus be with my baby. I love you, darling.